Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of hybrid cars. Get ready to learn all about how they work and why they're gaining popularity. Let's get started. Before we delve into the technical details, let's first understand what a hybrid car actually is. A hybrid car is a vehicle that combines the power of an internal combustion engine with an electric motor. This unique combination allows for improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. So, what are the benefits of driving a hybrid car? Well, let me tell you. First and foremost, hybrid cars are incredibly fuel efficient. By utilizing the electric motor alongside the traditional engine, hybrids can achieve significantly better gas mileage compared to conventional vehicles. This means you'll spend less time and money at the gas station. Another advantage is the environmental impact. Hybrid cars produce lower emissions than traditional vehicles, which means they help reduce air pollution and contribute to a greener planet. If you're passionate about sustainability, a hybrid car is a great choice. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how hybrid cars actually work. The key component of a hybrid car is the battery pack. This battery is charged through regenerative braking and by the internal combustion engine. It provides the necessary power to the electric motor. The electric motor is responsible for providing additional power to the wheels when needed, such as during acceleration or climbing hills. It works in tandem with the internal combustion engine, which can either be gasoline or diesel powered. This combination allows for a seamless driving experience. There are different types of hybrid cars available in the market. The most common ones include parallel hybrids, series hybrids, and plug-in hybrids. Parallel hybrids use both the electric motor and the internal combustion engine to power the vehicle, while series hybrids primarily rely on the electric motor with the engine serving as a generator. Plug-in hybrids, on the other hand, have a larger battery pack that can be charged by plugging it into an external power source. This allows for longer electric-only driving ranges, making them a great option for those who want to minimize their dependence on fossil fuels. Like any technology, hybrid cars also come with their own set of challenges. The cost of hybrid vehicles can be higher initially due to the added complexity of the drivetrain and battery systems. However, it's important to consider the long-term savings on fuel costs and potential incentives or tax credits available. Looking towards the future, we can expect further advancements in hybrid technology. As battery technology improves, we'll see hybrid cars with longer electric-only ranges and even better fuel efficiency. It's an exciting time for hybrid car enthusiasts. And that wraps up our video on hybrid cars. We hope you enjoyed learning about these eco-friendly vehicles and their many benefits. Whether you're looking to save money on fuel, reduce your carbon footprint, or simply experience the latest automotive innovations, hybrid cars are definitely worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. As always, we appreciate your support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Drive green, drive smart.